anywhere!
Here. Let's cut loose.
Good! You chose your position!
I might melt you. You're not that good. Oh, level up. An enemy attack? Annoying. Nothing will help.
Before the safe area moves, better pick on your ally!
I'll roast you. Get down. Too bad. Thanks for that.
Enemies! Be on alert!
Burn. I'll roast you. You're worthless.
Yay! Everyone's in the safe area! Nice job!
All right. Level
One
up.
lucky fighter's found Kota!
Nice. Just for you. Hey. Level up. There. Oh. Keep that still.
New safe area established! If you're not in it, what are you doing?
Oh. Hey. Thanks for that. Hey, burn. There. Getting on my nerves. Head burning. Level up. Get down. Burn. Can you handle it? Disgusting.
30 seconds for item must appear! Find their keywords!
There's no escape. Just seriously? Seriously? Not bad. You did well. Nothing will remain.
Out of my way!
Yay! Everyone's in the safe area! Nice job!
It's not your fault. We're just playing on different levels.
No escape. Get... There. Oh. Level up. Step aside. I want to boost my abilities. Think you can help with that? You're done. I see trash. Should I burn it? Thanks for that. I'll cremate you.
Wait a sec!
Burn.
It's what you've all been waiting for! An item box appeared!
This? Can you handle it? Keep it up. I'll root. Thanks for that. Get down. Burn. That's all you got?
This report brought to you by Present Mike!
I'll roast you. Keep it up. This is great. There's no escape. I can't move.
I'm under attack!
Thanks for that.
Ignite.
Pathetic. Let's dance. Let's try it. Get down.
Close range. You got 30 seconds before the safe area moves.
Level up. Level up. Thanks for that. No sweat. I'll cremate you.
Freeze.
I'll roast you. Get down. Level up. Alright. Everyone's in the safe area. Good.
Cut through.
I'll roast you. Hey, can anyone use this? Thanks for that. Hey. Can you handle it? Like this? Get down. Silence. Just a nobody. Oh? Can anyone use this?
Much better.
Hey. All right.
Item over there.
This?
Level up.
I'll take it.
Good to go.
Trash.
Out of my way.
Level up.
Item over there.
Hand it over.
There's an item box.
So
Quick or it'll get snapped up.
level
Be
up.
careful. Enemies.
Safe area.
Thanks for that. Seriously? Silence. Hey, I'll roast you. No escape. Burn. Get down. Seriously? Burn. Seriously? You're done. Thanks for that. Hey, get down.
It's not your fault. We're just playing on different levels.
Can you handle it? I'll roast you. There. Burn. Thanks for that. No escape. Disgusting. Everyone's in the safe area. Good. Nice. There. Get down.
Wonder what's over there. I'm gonna investigate.
This is great. Thanks for that. More power. I'm fired up. This? No sweat. I'll roast you. Can you handle it? Burn. Thanks for that. Get down. I see trash. Should I burn it? No escape. Burn. Too slow. Get down. Alright. Level up. Coming. Thanks for that. Can you handle that?
Everyone is outside the safe area. Gotta hurry.
Hey, I'll
out
See
there.
trash? Should I burn it?
To your core!
I'm sorry.
Chaos! This is bad! Push through!
Keeping up. I'll creep.
Sorry.
Thanks
I
for
can't
that.
keep going.
New safe area established! If you're not in it, what are you doing?
Unsurprising.
I'm sorry.
Got burned out. No escape. Incinerated. Burned. Trash. Plus chaos. Oh, thanks for that. Turn to ash. Out of the way. Not yet. You can't take it.
I blocked it.
Not yet. Damn. Save this for you. Seriously? Thanks for that. With this? Where you going? There. Too slow. All right. Max firepower. Save this for you. Thanks for that. Over here. No sweat.
Half of the teams remain! There's no
This?
telling who will win this
Let's
thing!
dance.
It's what you've all
bad.
been waiting for!
You did well.
And the box appeared! New safe area established! If
There's-
you're not in it, what are you doing?
Keep it up. Nice. Not yet.
Safe area moving!
Over here. There.
Three teams
All right.
remain!
Thanks for that. I'll light you up. Hellfire. Can you dodge this? You can't take it. I'll light you up. Just a nobody.
Not bad. You did well.
Hey, turn to ash.
Close.
I'll light you up. Seriously?
This is bad!
Sorry.
Can you dodge this?
This place
Hey.
is dangerous.
I'll light you
Far,
up.
far away.
Yeah, got it.
You're worthless. Max firepower.
I don't have enough items.
I'm fired up. Nice. Wait. Thanks for that.
The safe area has moved! The support brought to you by Present Mike! Only 2 teams left!
Save this for it.
Changed my mind.
Can you dodge this? Hey, burn in hell. Thanks for that. There. Vanish! You can't take it. You should give up. Damn. Hellfire! This damn. Where you go? Seriously? Thanks for that. I'll light you up. Turn to ash. Damn. I'll light you up. Seriously? Can you dodge this? Nejire. Too slow. I'll light you up. Turn to ash. Coming. Thanks for that. You can't take it. More power.
A round of applause to the fighter wiping the floor with their foes!
Nope, no can do.
That's a great quirk. The world can be changed by will alone. This looks useful.